You know, if we didn't put that car up here in the first place, we wouldn't be dragging it out by now.
You got a good point.
Yeah. Ah! Look at all those, all kinds of tires.
Yeah, it went way downhill, man. Right up here.
I got a LS I could just drop in it.
That's what you'll do anyway, you know.
It's more expensive. Small bar can get one for like 50 bucks. LS is like 5,000, you know. Yeah. I like to get something on the road by this summer. Try not to kill the bumper on this, and I'll hook.
How we gonna do it here?
I'll hook somewhere under it and yank it. I got this U-hook. What do you think? I mean,
I don't know. You don't want to mess that hand up right there either. It's actually in good shape, man.
It's in a little good shape.
I'd say that bit, well, it's dented over there, ain't it?
Yeah. I mean, that's fixable.
I think, if I remember right, we used a four-wheeler and push this thing up here.
I need to find a place to hook. What's this? It's fine. That's what. That's how you do it. Don't know what you're hooking to, but we'll hook to it. Pull on up. Won't have that problem. Fuel injection. I know, I ain't got no gas in it.
I got plenty of gas. Have to. Cool. I smell it.
Is this a choke? Go ahead. No, it's funny. Cut the wheel. Oh, that works. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, she'll be fine. She rolls still. I cut the wheel a little. Okay, door don't close anymore. We good, dog. I need to cut the wheel, and you just slowly ease up. Yeah, let me cut the wheel deep. That way the ass will go over. Okay. Now I might need to go the other way. We got room? Let's see. Oh yeah, we got room. We'll make it. We'll make it.
Do what?
I said we should make it. We keep the wheels straight.
Keep going?
Ease back a little. Oh yeah. Okay, 1 minute, I cut the wheel.
Let down?
No, I cut the wheel. The wheel's pushing into the tree. Oh yeah, we good. Back wheel still closed up, but we good, we good. Boy, take it. We got a tree and a door. We'll find out. I got an idea. Yeah. Probably just raise your bed up. Probably could just raise that boom. You think raise it or just pull back?
Raise it.
Or pull back, either one, whatever you think. That's it. That's how you move a tree. Now see the shocks on flows? Know that? The shocks on flows. Woo! I said the shocks on flows. The shocks, they on flows now. It's setting up.
The shocks are what?
The shocks was flows. Low, they pump back up now. They will. You want me to take some flack up in that chain? Or not? Woo! Easy, easy, easy. We're probably good, don't you think? Whee! Oh yeah, we good. I'll leave that on for now.
Leave it on?
I'll leave the chain under it for now. Now we just have to fill in what washed out down the flood, don't we?
Yeah.
So it's out of its spot. Needs cleaned up. Need to get all these leaves off of it. It's been setting for a few years now up there. Oh. Clean that up on it. Interior, you know. We get it where we can work on it, and I think it's gonna be a little bit faster build than the fairway night. I actually might can enjoy this in this summer. Pretty solid. Need a good washing, good sanding. So hopefully everybody enjoyed this video. Part 2, we got it. Now part 3 is us moving it on the rollback.